to everyone. I'm here to introduce to you for some of you guys who are, I can say, um, interested in also joining us on doing a tutorial for this program called Radio Boss for those who are new. And I just want to say that, and I just want to say my name is Letabo, aka the Wildcat, obviously, underscore Zolly. Some people they know me of Young Lion, but I'm no longer called that. But yeah, so for this evening or this afternoon or this morning, whenever you tuning in, just to make sure, please like, subscribe, and share with other people, and also comment, and also ding that notification bell, and also to get more content that comes from Zalihood. So without further ado, let's get into it. And first of all, I just want to say that if you want to use your what you call your radio boss, you need to open it first. Let's do this because sometimes it can be a bit um kind of awkward for some people. Okay, let me just start here, and let's see what's gonna happen. So let's just wait for it. Okay, well, right here where it says buy the full version of Radio Boss, that's where you're just going to say continue. Oh, okay, because I'm trying to I'm trying to put, okay, you just say continue, and then you just maximize. And then after maximizing, I'm just going to put it onto context. I'm not going to load any music or show you how to encode, because that it's just something that it's not something that I'm allowed, or it's not actually permissible to do. And for those who wanted to upgrade to the latest version of Radio Boss, you click here, because you see here it says install and what's new. So you're going to do here, but I'm not going to do it now, I'll do it later. So I'm just going to close out of here, and then where you do your you load your jingles, and then you go to jingles, and then you go to assign. That's where you do your stuff. And then where it says assign, you have to pick 1 to 0. There's like from 1 to 10, obviously, on your keyboard. So you just have to choose which one you're going to assign it to, and then whichever jingle you have, or a what you call this again, a um sound effects that you have. Obviously, if you're going to be on Zalahood, obviously you need to have sound effects or jingles. Maybe if someone gave it to you, or someone sent you as a folder, obviously you know how many station IDs you have, or how many sound effects you have. So you just have to go into this page, and then to configure your mics, let me just go here, and you just go to settings, and then no, not here, you go to settings, options. So when you go to options, you don't go to broadcast, you don't go to broadcast, because that's where obviously you will get problems. You don't go to broadcast, you just go here where it says general, and then you just set up here where it says but sometimes you don't have to, because sometimes when it says when program started and then all that stuff, but sometimes you can do it, but you don't have to. And then there's video, oh, there's okay, there's view, there's output, input. Yeah, you go to input where your mic is, that's where I wanted to go. And then you just go here, and then you just increase or decrease your decibels of your sound or your mic. And also to record, That's another example that I'm going to give you guys. But on this one, I'm just going to give you just a snippet of how you do it. So here, because here obviously on this one it says no device, so obviously I didn't even encode or didn't do anything on this one, so you're just going to leave it as it is. But if you have like your laptop, like your Asus, your Dells, your what you call this, but with an Apple MacBook, it's a different story. So if you're using Windows, it's going to be familiar for you. It's going to be easier. If you're using let's say for example, if you're using um, what you call um, a screen reader like your NVDAs, your narrators, or your JAWS, it's going to be much easier. But for that, because I'm not using any screen reader right now, apologies on that one, but I'm just going to do it now. But let me just do it. Let me just do this. Let me just close here and then go here. Then let me just do this. Just hold on a sec. Uh, okay, okay, because now I have to go to my um, settings. It just takes a bit long to to load, but let's just wait for it. Let's see if it's going to load or anything, but obviously it is going to load because I'm running Windows 11 23H2. Whether it depends on which operating system you operate on. So okay, if you want to do your, let's see, your narrator, you go to accessibility and then you scroll down a little bit, and then that's where you will get it. Actually just past it. Oh, there it is. Okay, so yeah, so you just go to your narrator and then you okay, there it is. Hold on. Then we're just going to carry on with our preview of our thingy.
Narrator dialog. Skip for now. Button.
Okay.
Alt plus S. New natural settings window. Narrator window. Scan.
Okay,
Scan mode.
okay.
3 of 13. Window heading level 1.
Okay.
Welcome to narrator.
Okay, hold on.
Settings window. Narrator. Recording toolbar window. System audio unmuted.
Okay.
Select to mute system audio. Button.
Okay, we have to go back to
Taskbar pane.
okay, we have to go back to
RadioBOSS Advanced 6.3.2.0 window.
Okay, so my apologies on that. And then we go to okay, our settings again. Okay, let's do this.
Menu item. Menu item.
No, not
menu
you.
item. Menu item. Menu item. Menu item. Menu item.
Just says menu
Settings
item.
window.
No.
Start with Windows checkbox unchecked. New notification for advanced configuration button. Start with window. Startup options button. Restart the program. Startup options. Start with advanced configuration button.
Okay, you just have to go to your input once again.
Input 6 of 18 selected.
Then after you go to your but I'm not going to do it now. So you just have to yeah, where it says DSP, you don't click on that one. Where it says line in, you just change it to your device. Then line in 2 or line 2 in, and then you just change it again. But for like because obviously it uses 3 mics, so which your mic, it's the first one obviously. So obviously whatever PC you're going to use, obviously it's just going to be the first one. And then you head over to your what's the other one that I'm looking for? uh okay, let's close over here.
Radio Boss Advanced.
If you want to add your music,
6.3.2.0. Window.
okay, just a quick disclaimer. For the music purposes, I don't have music. Actually, I do have music on my PC, but I don't want to add them. But you can add them on your convenience. So what you can do is you just have to
Application
go
menu
to
bar. File.
File,
Menu item. Menu item.
and then you go to what's this, add new playlist, and then where it's just going to show you where you're going to add
Radio
it.
Boss dialog. Yes.
um
Button. Alt
then
plus Y. No. Button.
so
Alt plus
here
N.
so
Cancel.
here
Button.
um
Save current playlist.
oh, okay, here you're going to that's where you're going to add your playlist. Well, for me, I'm
No.
not going to do that.
Button. Radio Boss
So
Advanced.
yeah, that's where you're going to add your
6.3.2.0.
playlist and then add your
Window.
music and add everything in. And then your jingles, that's where obviously, as I showed you earlier, you do
Application
here,
menu bar.
and then
Menu item.
you go to assign.
Jingles window.
Yeah,
Selected.
so that's here.
Requires selection contains 10 items.
And then obviously you're going to tap,
Load. Button.
and then you
Save.
tap again,
Button.
and then that's where it's going to show you everything that you need to add your jingles, because obviously
Slider.
it has
25%.
it has your slider, that's your volume, and then
Play only one jingle at a time checkbox unchecked.
yeah, it also gives you this option where you play one jingle per at a time. Let me just say that. Also it gives you this
Jingle
one.
fade in time. Edit. 0,0.
Yeah, so there's a jingle fade in time,
Jingle fade out time.
and
Edit.
fade out time as well.
0,0.
And then
OK. Button.
after you're done, it's going to say okay. But if you want to cancel,
Button.
you just tap again. Then if you want to go
Selected.
back, you just have,
Requires
or if you
selection
want to check,
contains
you
10
just go
items.
on your dashboard again. So on that one, we are
Radio
done.
Boss Advanced.
So
6.3.2.0.
so yeah,
Window.
as I've said, obviously, if you wanna do it again,
Check for updates window. Close.
okay,
Button.
I'm just going to
Install
tap
the
again.
latest version. Button.
So here it says install the new or the latest version, and then
What's
here
new? Button.
it says what's new. So on this one, you just want to check what's the new version or what's the latest on this version, because obviously the latest version it's 7.0, I think, if I'm not mistaken, or maybe it has changed to another version. So with that one, I can say it.
Close.
Okay,
Button.
so now we're going to close. Let me just enter here.
Radio Boss Advanced. 6.3.2.0.
And then
Window. Play button.
This
Pane.
one is your play button. So that's where obviously you're going to play all your music, and then you tap again.
Next track button.
It says
Pane.
next track, and then here
Pause button.
it says
Pane.
pause. So when you pause, obviously that's when you're going to pause, when you're going to do your air breaks, when you play your jingles. Obviously because your jingles are going to be up here. So let me just do this, because they're going to be up here. Let me just remove this just for a bit.
Recording toolbar window. System audio unmuted. Select to mute system audio. Radio Boss Advanced.
So yeah,
6.3.2.0.
unfortunately this thing it can't move.
Window.
But okay.
Pause
Also
button.
your okay, for
Recording toolbar window.
your thingy, you're going to need, okay, there it is your recording toolbar, so that you can just do this, but unfortunately it's not allowing me to do
Radio
it.
Boss Advanced.
But
6.3.2.0. Window. Pause button. Pane.
so yeah, so that's all I can give you. But the mic, because the mic, obviously I'm not going to like switch it on, but obviously your mic is going to be on F8, so that's the one that you're going to use. and then obviously if you have to check if you are connected to the server, it's going to be right here on, like, at your top right. That's where you're going to do it. You're going to check. And yeah, so that's basically everything that I can give you guys. And well, if you have any questions,
Recording toolbar window.
you can also check us out on our social media pages, which is Zollywood Universe, Zollywood Music, and Zollywood um uh what you call this. Yeah, Zollywood, Zollywood Universe, Zollywood Cinema, and Zollywood Music. So yeah, that's where you can find it, find us. Also on our YouTube channel is Zollywood Universe. Obviously, on our tagline, or our handle on YouTube, it's at Zollywood underscore official. So that's where you can find us. So that's one thing I
Desktop list. Radio Boss.
um
3
yeah.
of 9.
So that's one
Non-selected.
that's one thing I can say on that. And well, that's about it. So yeah, you can catch our video shows on our radio station this coming Saturday. Obviously, we are also hosting a Zollywood radio marathon from 12 to from 12 noon to 12 midnight. So obviously, you will see the sizzling lineup, or you will hear the sizzling lineup actually, of all the um all your DJs and favorite presenters, from myself to every other um presenter that is going to be there as well. So yeah, so don't forget to share, subscribe, like as well, and also comment on whatever is going to be happening. So hope everyone will enjoy this tutorial.